know, baby, but your daddy's gonna take care of you, okay?
So I'm gonna die. The water is steady rising in the attic, ma'am.
I'm in here. I got a handicapped girl, and I got a baby that's on a pump machine. And we in the bed. He's on a ventilator, but he's in the bed. Our water is coming up.
Pray for me, help.
Oh, Sarah, we'll pray. I have to pray for everybody, even myself.
Paycheck to paycheck. I mean, it ain't like we could just able to get up and just leave.
Well, you got him down, man. Let him breathe, at least, man.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Please, the knee in my dick.
He's breathing right now. Check his pulse. Check his pulse. Check his pulse, Tom. George shot my son 7 times.
We are black people and we shouldn't have to feel like this. We shouldn't have to protest because y'all are treating us wrong. We do this because we need to and have rights. It's a shame that our fathers and mothers are killed and we can't even see them anymore. It's a shame that we have to go to that graveyard and bury them. And we have tears, and we shouldn't have tears. We need our fathers and mothers to be by our side.
Ain't no power like the power of the people, cause the power of the people don't stop. Ain't no power like the power of the people, cause the power of the people don't stop.